Options buyers must have lost a lot of money today because Bank Nifty was consolidating in a range of 120 points, and later in the day it has moved down to 43,850, which is a crazy day because next day, tomorrow, we can expect some bearishness in Bank Nifty. So let's jump right into the video and see what has happened with Bank Nifty. And also we have mentioned the clear levels to trade on 24th May 2023, so you can take it as a reference and make your trades better. So thank you. This is 23rd morning, it's around 9:38. We can see that market has opened on a gap up of about 100.78 points, and from there market wanted to move down to has moved down to almost 43,863, and still we have a few points for the gap to be filled, and from 43,861 market tried to move up above 44,000, but it couldn't sustain above 44,000, and now what we can see is a candle with some sell pressure, but again we can see that it is leaving a huge wick on the lower side, which shows some a good buy pressure on this particular candle. Looking at 1 minute, we can see that it has been showing a slight correction, but as of now we can see an uptrend which has been formed from yesterday's 130's low. That high has been respected in intraday, and only once that is broken we can expect a downward movement. So this is the line that we have to keep in mind, so that once Bank Nifty moves below this level is where we can expect a downward movement, or else we will see Bank Nifty moving up further, and then around 12:30 we'll see a reversal, which will be a healthy one. So please plan your trades accordingly. So we can see that Bank Nifty has crossed above the yesterday's high, or the highs that has been respected at the previous days. So the next resistance that we have in mind would be 44,076 till 44,096. If that is broken, then we can expect Bank Nifty to move up till 44,150 if the previous mentioned levels are broken. So I'll just take this as resistance. I'll just write it as resistance. So this area can act as a good resistance if market is moving up. If that is broken, then we'll see a further move towards the new all-time high. Back in office after a very long time, so we can see that Bank Nifty has been consolidating a 120 point range from 43,971 to 44,096, which is a crazy day for options buyers. Most of them must have not taken trades today looking at the consolidation. So from 44,100 or 44,096, which I have mentioned the previous few days, which has acted as a good resistance, and from there market has come down, but the premium has been eaten because of the theta decay. So we can see that Bank Nifty is holding up above 43,974, and multiple times the candles have started to break down below that point, but nothing could take over 43,974, and what we can see is heavy consolidation and premium being eaten. So only once Bank Nifty breaks below 43,974 is when we can expect a downtrend, and until then we can see Bank Nifty moving further up to 44,100, and if that is also broken, all-time high, which is at 44,150, which has been marked here in green. So tomorrow, if market opens in a gap down, we can expect market to go and take over this gap which has been filled between 43,815 and 43,862, and if that is also broken, if 43,795 is broken, then we can expect market to fall below this trend line. I mean, if this trend line is broken, then we can expect market to further go down and touch the consolidation area, which is between 43,550 and 43,609, which I don't feel is going to happen, and if it is breaking above, I have mentioned the levels, and if it is coming down, this is the trend line. First idea should be it should go below 43,975, and then it should cover the gap which has been made here. The next important level would be 43,795, and below that is where we can expect some bearishness till 43,700, and if that is also broken, then 43,500, and if that's broken in the longer term, I would say in the next 2 weeks, we can expect Bank Nifty to come down to 43,000, which will be an excellent move for Bank Nifty to gain power to move towards the upside. And also looking at Nifty, we can see that Nifty has gone up from has opened in a gap up, and it has moved up to 18,418, and it has been consolidating in a range of almost 30 points. And after 245, ideally the time where most of the market movers come in play, or maybe contract switching happens. So what happens is Nifty has broken below that level, and it has made a crazy move towards the day's low. But again, Nifty is sustaining at the day's low is what I believe is going to happen in the rest of the day. So also, if 18,335 is broken, which is yesterday's high, if that is broken, then we can expect further bearish in the market, and that will take Nifty to the lower side, which will make Nifty more powerful to gain power to move to the upper side. So this is what the view is for the day. If this is broken, then we can expect a closing on a lower level. We are not SEBI registered analysts, and please, this is completely for educational purposes. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you'll have our video prompts. And also we'll be starting a complete stock market series in the next 2 weeks. So yeah, thank you.